Just to watch yoga is not sufficient for you all. You all are requested to please. You all are requested to please open your cameras. You have already opened. कैमरा खोल लीजिए बेटा आप लोग और साथ ही आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक जगह बना लीजिए जो जो हम पहले योगा कर चुके हैं वो दोबारा करेंगे और शुरू करते हैं। बस आपसे एक अनुरोध है कि आप बीच में कोई क्वेश्चन रेज ना करें और जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा वो हम लास्ट में अटेंड करेंगे। ठीक है, अब आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप मेरे साथ साथ योगा क्लास स्टार्ट करें। मुझे नजर आना चाहिए आप करना। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो आप बैठ जाएं, बैठ जाएं, बैठ जाइए सब लोग। वेरी गुड। ओके, बिफोर स्टार्ट योगा क्लासेस, especially on 21st June 2021, on the occasion of International Day of Yoga. First of all, I request you all to please join your hands. Join your hands, everybody. And you can also repeat the prayer. Repeat the prayer. Okay? Join your hands. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, everybody, and start the prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunattu Sahaviryam Sarvavahi Tejasvinapatitamastu Ma Vidvisavahi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Close your eyes, good boy. Please open your eyes. Okay. Now, first of all, we will start from standing posture of asanas. First, we will perform some standing posture, then sitting posture, and then lying posture. And after that, in the last, we will go for pranayama. So, first is that is called as Tadasana. That is called as Tadasana. So, please get up all of you and perform according to the place available. Okay, slowly stand properly, feet apart, hands by the side of your body, hands by the side of your body, and slowly inhale means सांस लेना है. Slowly inhale and raise your hand either like this from the side of the body like this. Raise your hand up. Very good. Raise your hand, and as soon as you reach here, please exhale. And once you reach in this position, slowly raise your hand up and slowly raise your toes also like this. Please, as much as you can, lift your body up and join your hands. Maintain this posture for a while. Maintain this posture. Again, slowly come down. Come down. Very good. And again now. This is called as Tadasana. This is called as Tadasana. Once again we will perform. Tadasana. Very good. Once again we will perform. Raise your hand up by the side of your body. After this, raise your heel also, as well as stretch your body up towards the ceiling and join your hands as much as you can. Maintain this posture. Stretch your body up as much as you can. It will help to increase your height also if you perform all these asanas regularly. Again, come back slowly. Again, come back slowly. But all these asanas we are supposed to perform very slow. We are not performing exercise. We are performing yogic exercises, yogasanas, and all yogasanas are have to be performed very slow. Okay? Now, so this is called as Tadasana. Now you all are supposed to perform next asana, that is called as Vrikshasana. That is called as Vrikshasana. How you perform Vrikshasana? Feet apart up to 1 feet or as per your body structure. up to 1 feet or as per your body structure. Now slowly, first you will start from your right leg. From the right leg, you lift your right leg like this and keep your right foot on your left thigh like this and try to maintain this position for a while. Join your hands and slowly go up as much as you can. Try to maintain this posture for a while. Please maintain this posture for a while and stretch your body up. Stretch your body up. Maintain this posture. अरे कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Very good. Slowly come back. Now same asana you will perform from the left leg also. अभी हमने right से किया. Now you will perform from which? Left leg. How you will perform? Again you will lift your left leg, left foot and keep it just opposite side of your thigh, right thigh. Join your hands like this. Balance yourself. Very good. And slowly raise your hand up. Very good. Very good. Very good. Try to maintain. Look front. Very good. And try to maintain this posture as much as you can. Maintain this posture. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Not like this. Come in this position. And then hands down and slowly legs. So these two asanas are called as Tadasana and Vrikshasana we have performed. First asana name is Tadasana, second name is Vrikshasana. So these two are in standing posture. Now we will go for in sitting posture. We have to perform different asanas. Okay? So first you sit down. Sit down like this. As I have already told you in my previous class that whenever you perform this yogasana, you should perform in Dandasana, or it is also called a long sitting position. In English we call long sitting position, but from the yogic point of view, we will say this is called as Dandasana. So please open your legs. I will show from the side also, so that is easy for you all. This is called as Dandasana. Means you have to stretch your legs like this, palm by the side of your body, and your upper body should be straight, your spine should be straight, and look forward like this. So this is called as Dandasana. Please maintain this posture for a while. This is called as Dandasana. Please maintain this posture. Again, I will show you from the front. कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. That's good. Please maintain this posture for a while. In this, legs should be straight, toes should be straight, your eyes, your neck should be straight, and concentrate towards the one point in front of you all. Okay? Like this. सामने एकदम ध्यान रखें. And please close your eyes for a while. Take 5 breathing, inhale and exhale. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Very good. And again relax. Relax like this. Now this is called as Dandasana. Now we perform Sukhasana as well as Padmasana. Actually we perform Padmasana. Sukhasana is the previous step of Padmasana. Okay? We'll go for Padmasana. As I have already told you, whenever we go for any sitting asana, you have to perform from Dandasana only. Okay? So take position again in Dandasana position. Legs straight. Please perform कुछ बच्चे सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप करें भी साथ में, है ना? Okay, in this position, from Dandasana position, now please lift your right leg like this. Lift your right leg like this. Keep your right leg on your left thigh like this. Again, you can fold your left leg like this and keep it on your right thigh like this. And this is called as Padmasana. In this position, both the knees should touch the ground and upper body should be straight. Upper body should be straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra position. Jnana Mudra position means you have to touch both the tips of the index finger as well as the thumb. Touch like this, and remaining three fingers should be straight like this. Please maintain this position and take 5 deep breathing. Take 5 deep breathing. Upper body should be straight. Concentration. Please concentrate. Go for at least 5 breathing, 5 inhalation, 5 exhalation. Now, slowly open your eyes. Relax your hand like this. Relax your leg like this. Again, come into Dandasana position. What means because the long sitting position. Relax your leg like this. Relax your leg. Not able to what? Like this. You side. Relax your leg like this. Okay. Okay, now we will perform next asana. That is
क्या बोल रहे हो, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
बाकी लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? आवाज आ रही है?
तो किसी और की तरफ से डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है।
सर माला वर्मा इतना खोलो गजिया।
Okay, now we will go for next asana. That is called as Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, what we will do? Slowly we will lift the right leg, fold it like this, and fold it like this, back side. Now shift your body towards your right side, and with the, again lift, fold your left leg and sit properly straight. Here I want to show you few students are sitting in this position which is wrong. You are not supposed to sit like this. ऐसा नहीं बैठना। और दूसरा क्या बोलते उसको आवाज कैसे देना? हमें ऐसे बैठना है। Means they have to touch both the toes together, heels apart. ठीक है? After this, your upper body should be straight and both the knees together. ये आपने साइड से देख लिया, है ना? ओके। अब मैं दोबारा सामने से आपको शो करता हूँ। What you call this time? What you will do? As I have already told you, once again I will show you how you will perform from Dandasana to Vajrasana. This is called as Dandasana. Hold your right leg. Hold your right leg. Hold your left leg. Your body should be straight. Toes together, heels apart, and in between both the heels, you should place your buttocks properly, and your upper body should be straight, and hands just in either in Dhyan Mudra position or simply you can sit like this, and slowly close your eyes and maintain this position for a while. Maintain this posture. Dear students, this asana is very good after meal if you perform this asana. खाना खाने के बाद इस आसन को हमेशा करना चाहिए. It will help you for proper digestion. And improper digestion is the key of all problems. Slowly open your eyes. After this, what you will do? After this, slowly relax your arms like this. Again, you will fold relax your leg from the left side. First, shift your body, relax your leg. Again, shift your body, relax your next leg, and again, start little bit relaxing exercise for this Dandasana. Now we have already performed two asanas, two in standing and two in sitting position. In standing we have performed already Tadasana and Vrikshasana, and in sitting we have already performed two asanas, that is called as Padmasana as well as Vajrasana. Now our next asana is called as Ardha Pushtrasana. Ardha Pushtrasana. ये सब आसन हम बेटा पहले भी कर चुके हैं, हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं जब क्लासेस चलती थी 100 के सबसे पहले, है ना. Now we are performing all these asanas once again. Now from the side please watch properly. आप लोग मेरे साथ साथ करते रहिए, बहुत सारे बच्चे कर रहे हैं, आप लोग सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, देखना नहीं है, हमें करना है ऐसा. Okay. Now as I already told you, in sitting posture, whenever you perform any asana, you all are requested to come in Dandasana position only, or we can also say long sitting position. This is called as Dandasana or long sitting position. From this position, again we will go for Ardha Pushtrasana. How you perform? Let us see. This is called as Dandasana. From this position, you will fold your right leg like this. You shift first towards your left side, fold your left leg like this. Again, fold your leg like this and come in this position, in Vajrasana position. But if you are not performing Vajrasana, you are performing Ardha Pushtrasana. So after this position, what you will do, you will slowly come in kneel down position, or you can also like this. Like this you can come. Slowly, knees apart. Toes should be in lying position. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be in lying position. यहाँ पर एक चीज और कहना चाहूंगा, those students who are not able to perform properly, they can keep it like this. In case of Pushtrasana, but we are performing Ardha Pushtrasana, so we can keep it like this. पैर एकदम सीधे होंगे, कंधे सीधे होंगे, बॉडी स्ट्रेट होगी और घुटना भी स्ट्रेट होगा. ठीक है. After this, what you will do? These two asanas, you have keep it here. Keep it here. These two palms will help a lot to support your back. Come in kneel down position. घुटने के बल आना है आपको, घुटने के बल. खड़ा नहीं होना है, बैठ के नहीं करना है. घुटने के बल आ जाइए आप लोग. Very good. शाबाश. घुटने के बल आ जाइए. शाबाश. After this position, slowly you will inhale and try to look back and maintain that posture for a while. Start. Maintain this posture. Again come back. Once again, Same Ustrasan. Once again perform. Inhale, look back, maintain this posture. Normal breathing. Slowly come back. Okay. Once again, one more time. Slowly place your arm. Again, go back. Maintain this posture. Relax and come in Vajrasana position. Dear students, in between, I request you all to please make a video clip for 1 or 2 minutes. Everyone of different classes, class 6, 7th and 8th, and please send it to in your WhatsApp group, in your class group. अपने क्लास के ग्रुप में अपने अपने 1 या 2 मिनट की कोई भी आसन जो मैंने सिखाए आज आपको जो कराए हैं आपको वो 1 या 2 मिनट के सारे आसन आप अपने अपने क्लास के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जरूर भेजें। इसके अलावा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है दोस्त जो हैं एनसीसी एयर विंग जो एयर विंग में जो बच्चे हैं उनसे भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो एनसीसी एयर विंग के ग्रुप में आप वो जरूर अपने योगा करते हुए आसन की फोटो भेजें। नाउ सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अर्ध उष्ट्रासन। This is called as Ardha Ustrasana. Now come back in once again long seated position or we can say Dandasana. Now 3 asana we have already performed. 3 asana we have already performed. First is Padmasana, second is Vajrasana, third one is Ardha Ustrasana in sitting posture. Now we'll go for Bhujangasana, in lying down position. लेटने में हमें कैसे आसन करना है अब हम वो करेंगे, ठीक है? So now I request you all to please lie down in prone lying position. मतलब पेट के बल लेट जाए आप. This is called as prone lying position. ठीक है? Please lie down all of you. लेट जाइए. Very good. तो बच्चे बहुत अच्छा है. शाबाश. लेट जाइए like this. Please lie down like this. Like this. Very good. After this is called as prone lying position. In this position, you will keep your palms just side of your body like this. Keep your palms side of the body, both the palms side of the body. Forehead should touch the ground. Forehead should touch the ground like this. This is the starting posture of Bhujangasana. Now slowly raise the body up like this. Those who can perform up to here, they can perform up to here, no problem. If you are not able to perform full, you can perform up to here. But those who can perform full, you can perform full Bhujangasana like this. Legs should be straight, toes together, heels together, like this. Maintain this posture. Look up. Now, slowly come back like this. Okay. Now, once again, what you will do? Once again, you will place your palms like this. Side of the shoulder or chest. And once again you will perform Bhujangasana like this. Again, slowly raise your up. Raise your upper part of the body. Stretch your body up. And maintain this posture for a while. Again, relax your body. And come back slowly in prone lying position like this, and by coming back turn towards the right side, hold your right leg like this, with the help of left hand, and please come back in again long sitting position, or we can say a Dandasana position. Dandasana position. This is called as Dandasana position. Now, once again, next asana will perform. That is called as, yes, this asana is called as Bhujangasana. Now, we'll perform next asana that is called as Vakrasana. How will perform Vakrasana? We'll perform like this. First, again, from the side I will show you. Like this. From this position, again, upper body should be straight. Palm should be on the side of the body, like this. Hold your right leg. Hold your right leg and keep it on your near your left leg. And right palm should keep it here. Twist your palm like this and keep it here like this. After this, you will raise your left hand like this. Left hand like this. Your legs should be straight. Knees fold. Arms up and slowly twist your upper part of the body and try to hold the position like this. And this one, twist your upper part and look back as much as you can. And try to maintain this position for a while, and your body should be straight. Means your leg, your knee, the upper part of the body, neck should be in a straight line, in a single line like this, and maintain this position. Maintain this position for a while. Take normal breathing. Again, slowly twist your body, slowly, and relax your body, relax your legs, and also perform with the left leg. Again, fold your left leg and keep it near your right knee. अपने दाहिने पैर के पास, इसके घुटने के पास हमें लेफ्ट रखना है ना? I will show you like this from the side, from this side. It's easy for you. Like this. Okay? Legs remain straight. Legs remain straight. Now what you will do? Again, you will face your palm like this, hands by the side up, twist your body, and again, flip your hand like this, twist and look back. And the whole body should be in a straight line. Maintain this position. Maintain this position. Go for normal breathing. Again, relax your body and come back. Slowly come back. Like this. Relax your body. Body should be straight. Upper body should be straight. And come in Dandasana position. Relax your muscles. Relax your upper body. Relax your lower body. And keep calm. So this is first asana we have performed, Tadasana. Second asana we have performed, Vrikshasana. Third asana we have performed, Padmasana, Vajrasana, Ardha-Pushtasana, Bhujangasana, and this one is called as Vakrasana. ये इतने सारे हमने आसन परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं. Now I request you all perform next stage that is called as pranayam. So pranayam either you will sit in Padmasana or in Vajrasana position. ठीक है? या तो पद्मासन में बैठ जाए आप लोग बेटा या वज्रासन पोजीशन में बैठ जाए आप. ठीक है? मुझे खुशी आज बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आज ज्वाइन किया हुआ है और बहुत सारे बच्चे इसका फायदा भी उठा रहे होंगे, नो डाउट. आप परफॉर्म भी कर रहे होंगे, है ना? नाउ फर्स्ट यू सिट इन वज्रासन और इन पद्मासन, जिसमें भी आपको अच्छा लगे, जिसमें आप अच्छा फील करें. ठीक है? ओके. तो मैं बैठ रहा हूं पद्मासन में, ये आप फील करते हैं कि आपको बैठना है वज्रासन में, यू कैन सिट इन वज्रासन आल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है? Okay. Come in Vajrasana position like this. Before in Vajrasana position, first of all, before performing pranayam, and that the name of that pranayam is called as Anulom Vilom Pranayam, or this is also called as alternate nostrils, inhalation of from alternate nostrils, or it is also called as नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम. मतलब हमारे बॉडी के अंदर 72,000 नाड़ियां हैं, उनको शुद्ध करने के लिए ये सबसे सिंपल तरीका है, बहुत ही आसान तरीका है इस प्राणायाम को करने का. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अनुलोम विलोम और नाड़ी शोधन. तो हाउ यू विल परफॉर्म दिस आसन? फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू द एंगल ऑफ दिस आसन. फर्स्ट यू विल सिट इन वज्रासन और इन पद्मासन. How will you perform? The tip of the little finger, tip of the thumb, in सब tips का use है यहाँ पे. And you will fold the first two fingers, that is middle as well as index, like this. With the help of right thumb, you will close your right nostril. With the help of little as well as ring finger, you will close your left nostril. तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करेंगे राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से, और राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से सांस लेना है, लेफ्ट से सांस छोड़ना है. फिर हमें लेफ्ट से सांस लेना है और राइट से सांस छोड़ना है. एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, सांस लेते वक्त हमें आवाज नहीं करना है, बॉडी को ऐसे ऐसे हिलाना नहीं है. ठीक है, बॉडी एकदम स्ट्रेट रहेगी, सांस लेने की आवाज नहीं आएगी, एकदम ध्यान से मेरे साथ शुरू करेंगे. तो टेक पोजीशन फर्स्ट. दूसरा जो हाथ है वो घुटने के ऊपर, ये जो हाथ है टेक पोजीशन लाइक दिस. Okay, slowly keep your thumb on your right nostril like this and inhale. Pause and slowly come, shift it towards this side and right side से छोड़ देना. दोबारा राइट से सांस लेना है, राइट नॉस्ट्रिल बंद कर लीजिए, लेफ्ट से सांस छोड़ दीजिए, धीरे धीरे धीरे. अगेन लेफ्ट से इनहेल, राइट से सांस छोड़ दीजिए. परफॉर्म करिए बेटा एटलीस्ट 5 टाइम्स फॉर बोथ द नॉस्ट्रिल्स. कुछ बच्चे सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, आपको करना भी है, आपको करना भी है.
करना भी है, पढ़ना नहीं है.
राइट से सांस छोड़ दीजिए. अगेन इनहेल फ्रॉम द राइट नॉस्ट्रिल एंड एक्सहेल फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल. आप एक मिनट आंख बंद करके और इस अनुलोम विलोम को करिए, देखिए कितना अच्छा लगता है आपको, बेहतरीन लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा. इनहेल फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल, close your left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Again inhale from the right nostril. Pause, close your right nostril and open the left nostril and exhale with the left nostril. Relax and close your eyes and sit for a while. कुछ पल के लिए बैठ जाए. आंख बंद, body straight, concentrate. Okay. So you rub your palms like this. Keep it on your eyes like this. Keep it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. आँख खोल लीजिए. Okay. Now, dear students, once again I remind you all. Please make a video clip for 1 or 2 minutes and send it in your class group. In our school ACS number 2 class group. जो बच्चे क्लास 6 में हैं वो 6 में भेजेंगे. जो 7th में है
So how many asanas we have to perform?
बेटा अभी जो आसन मैंने आपको सिखाया है वो आप अपने घर में करेंगे. अपने मम्मी पापा भाई बहन के हेल्प से 1 से 2 मिनट का वीडियो क्लिप बनाएंगे और वो ग्रुप में भेजेंगे आप. इसके अलावा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जिन बच्चों ने एनसीसी ली है, एनसीसी एयर विंग, मैं एयर विंग की बात कर रहा हूँ. जिन बच्चों ने एनसीसी एयर विंग ली है उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो भी 1 या 2 मिनट का वीडियो क्लिप बनाएंगे योगा करते हुए या प्राणायाम करते हुए या कोई भी आसन करते हुए, और वो हमारा जो एनसीसी का ग्रुप है उसमें आप लोग भेज देंगे. ठीक है. नाउ once again we will perform all asanas from the starting to end. थोड़ा सा फास्ट करेंगे, टाइम कम है और मैं एक बार दोबारा आप सबको सारे आसन रिपीट करवाना चाहता हूं ताकि आप देख सकें. ठीक है. तो जैसा कि मैंने सबसे पहले शुरू किया था ताड़ासन. सबसे पहले शुरू किया था मैंने ताड़ासन. once again we will perform.
सर हमें कहाँ पे सेंड करना है वो क्लिप?
आपको अपने अपने ग्रुप में, क्लास के ग्रुप में, क्लास 6 वाले 6th में, 7th वाले 7th में, 8th वाले 8th में, 9th वाले 9th में और 10th वाले बच्चे 10th क्लास में. और हमें एनसीसी एयर विंग कर दीजिए. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ once again
सिर्फ ग्रुप एडमिट और बोल सकते हैं.
ताड़ासन. How you perform ताड़ासन? Start. This is
and the case
stretch your body up. Try to maintain this posture as much as you can. हाथ दोनों कान के बगल में. Slowly come back like this. This is called as ताड़ासन. इसको ताड़ासन बोलते हैं. Now next आसन is called as वृक्षासन. वृक्षासन करते वक्त हमें दोनों पैरों से करना है, right और left. So first we perform from the right leg. So lift your right leg and keep the right foot on your left thigh like this and maintain this posture like this, like this. Join our hands like this. Up, stretch your body up. Stretch your body up as much as you can and maintain this posture for a while. ये जो मैं आसन करवा रहा हूं इन्हीं आसन का आपको वीडियो क्लिप बनाना है और ग्रुप में भेजना है. Slowly come back.
सर पर ग्रुप में तो सिर्फ एडमिन नहीं भेज सकते, मैम ने बंद कर रखा है.
Same asan you can perform in from the left foot. हाँ, कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं ओके आप लोग मेरे ग्रुप मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप लोग मेरे इसमें भेज दीजिएगा पर्सनल उसमें. यदि किसी ने बंद कर रखा है तो आप लोग मेरे इसमें भेज दीजिएगा. ठीक है. नो प्रॉब्लम. आप मेरे इसमें भेज दीजिएगा. Okay, now you will lift your left foot and keep it here on your right thigh. Join the hands. Up. Slowly raise your hand. Up. Maintain this posture. Maintain this posture. This is called as वृक्षासन. फर्स्ट आसन जो हमने किया वो ताड़ासन. ये दूसरा आसन दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वृक्षासन. मेंटेन दिस पोस्चर Slowly come back. Slowly come back up to this. Relax your leg like this. Now, next these two asanas in standing posture. Now I will perform in sitting posture. In sitting posture, what you will do? First come in Dandasana position. Means your legs remain straight, legs straight, toes toward the ceiling, upper body should be straight, and sit erect. This is called as Dandasana. Your palm should be faced, put on your knees, or placed on your knees, like this, and sit straight. This is called as Dandasana, or we can say long sitting position. Now, we will perform Padmasana. So first you will raise your right leg, hold your right leg and keep it on your left side like this. Hold your left leg and keep it on your right side like this. And both the knees should touch the ground. दोनों gap नहीं होना चाहिए एकदम. Touch the ground. Your upper body should be straight. Concentrate towards the one point. Left hand in Yog Mudra position, or we can say Gyan Mudra position also. Okay, means these remaining three fingers should be straight, tip of the index as well as thumb should touch together, and sit straight for a while. Slowly open your eyes. Relax your body. Open your legs. Relax your legs. Now, from this position, we will go for next asana, that is called as Vajrasana. I am repeating all these asanas. We have already performed before summer vacation also, and now we have already performed one rotation. Now, go for Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, what you will do? You will fold your right leg like this. Then again, left leg like this. Sit straight. And again, close your eyes. Upper body should be straight. And maintain this position for a while. At least take 5 deep breathing. Close your eyes, concentrate. Slowly open your eyes. Again, relax your body and come in Dandasana position, or we can say long sitting position. I'm repeating. मैं ये सब आपको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. एक बार कर चुके हैं हम लोग. ये रिपीट इसलिए कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप वीडियो के लिए आराम से बना सके बच्चा. Now, next asana we perform, that is called as Ardha Ustrasana. Ardha Ustrasana. So in Ardha Ustrasana also, come in Dandasana position. Again, come in Vajrasana position like this. Now come in kneel down position like this. Body should be straight. Toes in line down position. पीछे की ओर होगा. Palm, open your palm. Keep it on the back side. Then upper button like this, support your back and slowly go back like this and maintain the position. Again come back. Relax your body. Come down. Slowly sit down. Again relax. Like this. This is called as Ardha Ustrasana. Now we'll go for Bhujangasana. Sorry, we'll go for next asana in sitting. Hold your right leg first, like this. This is called as Vakrasana. Like this. Keep your palms like this. Twist your body. Hold your ankle. Look back and whole body should be straight. like this. Relax your body. Now you perform with left leg. Hold your left leg और right leg सीधा होना चाहिए. कुछ बच्चों को मैं देख रहा हूँ दोनों फोल्ड करना है. Right leg सीधा रखो, left leg फोल्ड करके घुटने के पास ले आओ और twist your body. Twist like this. हाथ ऊपर like this twist. Hold your ankle and look back as much as you can. And the whole body should be in a straight line. Maintain this posture. Relax like this. Again, come back. Next asana is called as Bhujangasana. That is called as prone line position. लेट के करना है हमको. So lie down in prone line position like this. In prone line position. Keep your forehead on the ground, palms by the side of the body, by the side of the shoulder, near your chest, like this. Lift your body up, toes together, knees together, lift your body up, make an arc, and maintain this posture. Relax the body, come down, turn towards the right side with the help of left palm, come back. Now next asana we will perform, that is called as Anulom Vilom in Padmasana position. पहले हमने वज्रासन पोजीशन करके बताया था, इस बार पद्मासन पोजीशन करके बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है बेटा? So in Padmasana, what you will do? Come in Dandasana position. Hold your right leg. Okay? Hold your left leg. Upper body should be straight. ध्यान मुद्रा पोजीशन में आ जाना है. ठीक? मैंने बताया ये 2 उंगली फोल्ड करना है. हमको यहाँ लगाना राइट नॉस्ट्रिल पे. ठीक है? So first you will start from the right nostril. You will inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left. Again, we inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Okay? Okay. So we will inhale. So first, what we will do? We will close the left nostril first, like this. Inhale from the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Exhale your from the left nostril. Again, inhale from the left nostril. Again, close the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Again, inhale from the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Again, inhale from the left one. Close your eyes. Sit properly. इधर बैठ जाओ कुछ वक्त के लिए बेटा. Rub your palms like this. Keep it on your eyes. Place your palms on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Now, once again, I request you all. एक बार दोबारा बोलूँगा कि 6th क्लास के बच्चे, 7th क्लास के बच्चे, आप लोग का ग्रुप में शायद आप लोग अलाउ नहीं है, तो आप लोग वीडियो क्लिप बना के मेरे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी आप भेज सकते हैं. मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, मैं दोबारा आपको बोल देता हूँ. 94। आप लिखना चाहें तो लिख लीजिए, याद करना चाहें तो याद कर लीजिए। ठीक है, मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर मैं बता देता हूं, आप लोग वो वीडियो क्लिप बना के आप लोग मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज सकते हैं। और जिन बच्चों ने एनसीसी एयर विंग ली है वो भी 1 से 2 मिनट का कोई भी एक आसन का वीडियो क्लिप बना के आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 9414328668। मैं एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूं और आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप अपने दूसरे साथियों को भी मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे दें ताकि वो वीडियो क्लिप आराम से बना के भेज सकें। मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 9414328668। ठीक है, now before closing this today's योगासन class we'll go for prayer, क्योंकि हम हर अच्छी चीज एक प्रेयर से शुरू करते हैं और प्रेयर से ही खत्म करते हैं। तो मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि प्लीज join your hands together like this और मेरे साथ आप प्रेयर करेंगे। ओके, क्लोज योर आईज। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Slowly open your eyes, relax your body. Okay. Now, I request once again all of you to please, आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि आप लोग वीडियो